Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vishwesh and today we are going to discuss a very important topic, which is how you can avoid the paint chip off or the paint peel off issue arising in some of the Royal Enfield motorcycles out there. So this is going to be one hell of an interesting video. Moreover, it's going to be a helpful video, so make sure you watch this all the way till the end. So without any further delay, let's start with this video. So guys, recently I've been reading a few posts on social media as well as on various forums that some of the people out there are facing an issue that the matte black paint on the engines of their Royal Enfield motorcycle is chipping off or has peeled off, and they want to know what is the reason behind it and how they can avoid it or solve this issue. So firstly, let me break this down to you. The bad news over here is that if this has already happened, if it has already occurred, then you just cannot solve this on your own, because the paint that Royal Enfield uses on the engines is basically a powder coated matte black paint, and it is not the dip paint or the spray paint or any of the conventional paints that we are used to. So getting it redone is possible only by an authorized professional, and sadly Royal Enfield does not provide any warranty or guarantee on paint defects. So that thing is entirely out of question over here. So the best thing that you can do is to avoid it from happening, and to avoid this from happening you can follow a very simple process which involves an application of this polish, which is from Wavex. It's a Wavex instant spray polish, one mouthful of a name. It's basically a wax based polish. You can apply it on the engines, and the reason why I'm using this polish is because it is highly resistant to heat, and you know engines are supposed to get really hot, so you can use any other wax polish but make sure that it is highly heat resistant. Otherwise, you know, you can face issues, it will melt off, and you know it will spoil the looks and the engine's quality. So the best thing is you apply this, and you need a microfiber cloth. This bottle costed me around $350 on Amazon. I am going to put the purchase link in the description below, so make sure you follow that link and buy it yourself for your motorcycle. So that's enough of talking. Let's just get to how you can apply this on your engine, and then we'll discuss it further. So guys, as you can see, this is the matte black engine of my classic 350 Signals. So basically there are a couple of points that you have to keep in mind before you start applying the polish over here. Firstly is that you make sure that there is no dust particles or grit or grime or any such foreign particles on the surface of the engine, so make sure you keep it clean with any wet or dry cloths. That is up to you. Secondly, be very careful when you apply this polish, because the thing is that it has a lot of nooks and crevices, and you know all these metal parts, so you might end up cutting your fingers. So offering blood to the motorcycling god is not going to solve your issue, so please be careful and patient. Secondly, use the microfiber cloth and the Wavex polish that I am suggesting, and apply it on the engine as well as on the bend pipe area, because these things tend to chip off, and they are very and they get hot as well. So what we are going to do over here is that we will generously spray this polish over to the area, and we're going to rub it nicely with the microfiber cloth that we have in hand. So guys, as you saw, it's a very simple process. Like, it hardly takes around 5 to 10 minutes of your time, and if you ask me about the frequency of application, then it is 60 days. I mean, you have to apply it like after 2 months, and or if you just get your bike pressure washed, not normal wash, but if you get it pressure washed, then you have to apply it after that washing session, obviously. But it's a very good bargain. Like, you just have to spend a few minutes of your time, and that also after like 2 months, and you get to keep your engine paint protected. It keeps it shiny. It stays as good as new, like since the day you had got this motorcycle from the showroom. So for me, it's a highly recommended procedure. Please do follow this and avoid this chipping and peeling of issue. And apart from that, this is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do share, do like, and do subscribe to the channel. The comment section is as usual open, so do make sure you leave a comment below if you have any queries regarding this video or any other possible things related to motorcycles. I'll be more than happy to answer you back. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, peace.